Yan talaga. That means he's doing something right. He's a good person na tuloy-tuloy yung blessings para kay Tito Boy.
Pero for charity naman po yung kay Tito Boy, Manay.
Yes.
Yung episode 2 na niya. Aaron, who do you have there?
Yes,
wow, who do you have there?
We have a question from Kuya Mario Bautista. Mario.
Hi, Kuya Mario. Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
Last time mo nakita, ganito pa ako. Di pa ako nakaka-roller coaster.
Correct. Alam mo, sinasabi nga nila dito, ang galing-galing mo daw mag-host, kaya dapat talaga ikaw ulit ang host ng Bangus na yan.
Thank you very much, Kuya Mario.
Lalampasan mo na raw yung si Edo Manzano, kung sino man.
Who?
In terms of wit, at saka ikaw daw hindi ka nabubulol gaya ng tatay mo, sabi ni Aiza, pakisabi ka ito.
And then, ang weakness ko naman, Kuya Mario, admittedly, I'll be the first one to admit my weakness. Ako naman, pag yung mga malalalim na Tagalog, doon ako nabubulol. Lalo yung mga Tagalog words na yung parang nagdodoble. Ayun, yun ang kahinaan ko. Si Tony ang malakas doon. Pag, for example, binabasa namin yung The Voice script, siya ang malakas doon. Ako naman yun yung kahinaan ko, yung mga medyo malalalim na Tagalog.
So, sinong bet mo dun sa The Voice ngayon?
Wow, I can't. I have to be as objective as possible. Pero it is my personal tradition na sinasabi ko po yung favorite ko after the show. Na while doing the show, I have to be as objective as possible being the host. Pero siguro, right after the grand finals, sabihin ko naman po kung kanino ako bumoboto.
And so magsasabay yun kasi right after this season, merong yung mga bata uli, babalik, di ba?
Yes, Kuya Mario.
So, sabay-sabay yun, tsaka ito.
Yes.
So, you're so busy and you said before there is another show for a big company that you're supposed to be
Yes,
doing.
they got me for a package deal, kumbaga, for a company to host for a particular day starting maybe March till May. So for that one day, I have to commit. It's given to that company already.
So, because of that, wala ka na talagang chance to do some acting, I suppose.
Medyo mahirap ko yung Mario. Kasi for example, the only free day that I get to see sa calendar ko is Monday. I'll be very unfair naman kung sakali I'm doing a movie tapos isang araw lang kaya ng ibigay. So, I guess we have to wait and see kung paano. May Saturday, Sundays pa akong magiging live ng The Voice Season 2 plus Voice Kids kung sakali. That's besides the envelope stories, the blind edition. So it's going to be a very busy 2015 Kuya Mario.
Sayang naman daw kasi maski sa acting, mas magaling ka daw dun kayo.
May galit ba kayo sa talo?
Hindi kasi kaharap dito, kaya ginaganyan-ganyan nila. Anyway, can you give us some of the names na we will see dun sa pilot week starting February 9 ng Deal or No Deal? Para may inkling kami more or less kung sino yung pwede namin abangan.
Hindi, background na lang, background.
Oh,
Ayan, background na lang. Okay, blind item. Meron isang beauty queen. Meron isang character actress. Meron dalawa Hollywood stars.
No way!
Sorry, I was, yeah. So may character actress, may beauty queen, may former action star, may matinee idol. Ganun ka-diverse. May stand-up comedian. Halo-halo po talaga Kuya Mario.
May singer, no?
May sing. Basta lahat. Kasi kahit ako nagsuporta ako MJ na I was pretty surprised kung paano napagsama-sama lahat na yun. Considering...
So, maski sa trailer, wala kayong papakita trailer na ganito. Talagang you have to wait for February 9.
Yes po Kuya Mario. Sorry about that.
Para may element of surprise.
So at least mas dapat abangan niyo. Pag in-introduce ko yung The Lucky Stars, kung sino-sino yung mga aakyat doon sa rampa, we want to keep that suspense na parang pag viewer ka, mapasabi mo, oh, kasama siya. And they're doing the mini Deal or No Deal dance. So gusto namin marinig po yun.
How long will it run yung 20 stars na yon? For 1 week or for the rest of the month? Gano'n sila katagal mag-stay dun sa show?
Ang magiging mechanics po namin para mas klaro, our creative managers,
DP, ikaw na mag-explain, DP.
Good morning. Good afternoon po. Bali po, we have 20 lucky stars. So,
Yeah.
daily show, sa kanila rin po manggagaling kung sino yung maglalaro na kasama ni Luis. So, yung 20 na yan, may isa na bababa, makakalaro ni Luis. So, kung araw-araw merong isang maglalaro, 5 players a week, 20 players. So, 1 month po namin silang makakasama. After a month, magre-refresh po tayo panibagong set of lucky stars para ma-experience naman po ng mga regular players or ibang celebrities. Depende po.
So, oras na natanggal yung naglaro, hindi na siya makakabalik, papalitan na siya ng iba.
Yan po ang maganda kasi for 1 month, magkakasama po sila nila Luis, isang malaking pamilya sila. So,
Ah.
kung si player 1, naglaro na, babalik siya bukas, and for the rest of the 20 days, ano siya, hawak niya yung briefcase, kanya yung briefcase na yun for 20
Oh, I
days.
see. Oh,
Oo.
that's good. So, lahat ng mga stars na walang ginagawang assignment, at least makipapapanood sila, may exposure sila sa Deal or No Deal, di ba?
Sa totoo lang po, nahirapan po ang aming EP at production manager kasi po, meron po silang mga ibang ginagawa.
Opo. In fact, Kuya Mario, yung talent coordinator po namin, after na-book yung pilot week, nagpaalam ng leave. Seryoso. Feeling na namin magre-retire na eh. Naabot na niya yung rurok ng tagumpay eh. Pero pagsama-sama niya ang 20 big names sa industriya for a pilot week. Diba? Nakapirma lang ng leave eh. Alis po. Tapos. Oh.
Did you have to ask the permission of Endemol for this format that you're doing? Yes.
Yes po.
Yes.
And how do they feel about it?
Okay, Kuya Jun.
Well, every format naman, pag meron tayong tweak, we have to seek permission sa format owners. In this case, lahat naman ng mga tweaks ng creative ay approved by Endemol. In fact, nandito si Mr. Bas Guis from Netherlands, Endemol, to oversee kung na tama yung mga tweakings namin.
So, is it the first time that a Deal or No Deal from another country is doing this kind of format na binago yung mga, instead of the usual briefcase girls, ginawang celebrities ang hawak? And how do they feel about it? Pakibigay nga dun sa kay Mr. Kung
Sige. Unahan muna kita. Yung format, ginagawa na to sa ibang bansa.
Oh.
Pero hindi celebs. It's the first time na gagawin all celebrities.
let him speak now.
Also, it's the same 20 people for 20 shows. First time na ginawa. So,
And then first,
so yung 20 celebrities or 20 players, with nakalock sila, hindi
mapapalitan. Okay.
So, first time din daw yun.
Okay. So, did they have a hard time giving the go signal for the Philippines to do such changes?
No, because they trust us 100%.
Well, it looks
Thank you.
very promising. I wish it would entice more viewers to watch the show. Good luck and hope the ratings will hit the roof.
Thank you very much, Kuya Mario. Tulungan po tayo dyan. Thank you very much. That's why we need your help din po in spreading the word. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Mario. Ang susunod na magtatanong ay ang tinahal na Press K-Girl noong 2012 sa Kapamilya Press Party. Ito ang the ultimate,
And the ultimate, it's not the Jets yet, the Mercy is sumayaw dito rin
Correct.
bilang isang briefcase girl dati, bilang isang 24K. Feeling ko yung highlight ng buhay ko. Oo, yung sumayaw, naka-red gown, si Demers, ay kahit ibato na ang buong buhay ko, basta mabalikan ko yung precise moment na yon.
The Money Girl.
Thank you. Wala na ba yung 26K, girl?
Wala na po. Pero we will have mga about 5 models na pwedeng tutulungan din ang kaganapan on stage. But if we're talking about the old 26 or 24K, wala na po sila in terms of briefcases. But may mga models po tayo na tutulungan pa rin ang pagtakbo ng show.
Totoo bang ang pumalit, mga lalaki na o mga bating?
Meron po, may lalaki, and I'm very sure may papalit din naman po na bading. It's very diverse po ang ating Lucky Stars.
Ganon?
Yes.